Good morning, students. Let us continue with the lesson Language of Chemistry. Today, we're going to discuss about chemical reactions. Now, what are chemical reactions? Chemical reactions are the processes in which new substances with new properties are formed. During a chemical reaction, rearrangement of atoms takes place between the reacting substances to form new substances having entirely different properties. In other words, two new substances they react to give you a a new substance or another substance which is entirely different from the two reacting substances. Substances that take part in a chemical reaction are called reactants, and the substances that are produced in the reaction are called products. Now let us, with the help of an example, let us discuss what you have learnt. Zinc reacts with hydrochloric acid, that is HCl, to give you zinc chloride and hydrogen gas. So zinc and hydrochloric acid, what are they called? These two substances that are reacting are called reactants. And the new substances that are formed, which is written on the right hand side of the equation, and that is zinc chloride and hydrogen gas, they are called the products. So please keep in mind the reactants are written on the left hand side and the products are written on the right hand side. Now, zinc and hydrochloric acid are reactants and zinc chloride and hydrogen gas are products. The evolution of gas is represented by an upwardly directed arrow. So look here, the arrow is pointing upwards, meaning hydrogen gas is being evolved. If it is carbon dioxide, so I'll put CO2 here and arrow pointing upwards, meaning carbon dioxide gas is evolved. Now let's take another example. When solid calcium carbonate is heated at about 1000 degrees Celsius, it decomposes into calcium oxide and gas is evolved, which is carbon dioxide. So let us take a look at the equation. CaCO3, which is calcium carbonate, on heating to a temperature of 1000 degrees Celsius, it gives calcium oxide, which is a solid, and gas is evolved. Which gas is that? Carbon dioxide. I hope you have understood the concept of chemical reactions. Please go through the matter very closely and answer the questions that are given to you in assignment 7. Apply your learning and answer the questions given below. Write word equation for the following reaction. Number 1, burning magnesium in air. The answer is in your textbook, heating of calcium carbonate, which I discussed just now. Question number 2, differentiate between reactants and products. I have already explained to you what are reactants and what are products. Question number 3, what happens when zinc granules react with dilute sulfuric acid? Explain with the help of a equation. So you are supposed to explain this reaction with the help of a equation. Thank you.